Animal adaptations is easier to understand than it looks. In marine, animal adaptations is not just a tiny detail. It changes what people notice first, how they judge results, and where beginners waste time. The simple rule is to ask what problem it solves, what trade-off it creates, and what happens when it is ignored. Once you compare a strong example with a weak one, the pattern becomes obvious. You do not need jargon to understand it. You need one clear cause, one clear effect, and one practical takeaway. That is why animal adaptations is worth learning before the next step. Follow LavishMarine for more.